Hello everyone, today we are going to see how Inateck Bluetooth 3 keyboard looks like and how it functions. This supports Bluetooth 3.0 technology and it looks really nice on Amazon. Let's see how it looks in reality and how it functions. I'm just trying to open the box and see. Okay, it came in a nice plastic packing, and this is the micro USB cable to charge this. Very good. I'm just putting it on the side, and let's open this packet. So it has a instruction manual how to sync and connect the keyboard. I'm just putting this inside, and a polythene case. I'm just putting that on the side. Now if you see it, just like around 2 to 3 millimeter thickness, that's all, and it gives very nice feeling, very smooth feeling, and I've not seen any keyboard with that less thickness till now, so I'm really excited to use it. And you can see now on this keyboard, you can see that's their brand name. This is the micro USB port where this can be charged. There are three indicator lights, one for the caps lock, Bluetooth, and the power button, and then all the buttons. Now this Bluetooth keyboard can be used with Android, iOS or Windows devices, anything that supports Bluetooth 3.0 technologies. So let's see. I'm going to test this with my iPad 3. Let me open it and put it like this. Now I am just I'll be showing my screen so that we can see how this looks. Okay, let's power it on. It should be discoverable. Yes, we can discover it. And let's see, it connects. Now it's asking me to type the code. 1241. It paired. Very smooth. I like it. Let's go to some document and see how it writes. Let's see. This is my new Bluetooth 3.0 and I don't see any lagging while typing this. Very good. Let's see how the connect and disconnect function works on this. So let's go to settings so that we can see what's happening on the screen. Now once we synced it first time, to make it disconnect, let's power off the button. One light blinks and you can see on the screen it got disconnected. And if you're taking it back out, let's press it for 5 seconds. Light comes on and you can see on the screen it got connected again. So syncing is very good. Very nice finish. I really love it. Thanks for watching this video.